Okay, so linear inequalities category of x power to 1. So when you see your x in the power of 1, it belongs to linear inequalities. How to solve it? You can just move around. Okay, remain your x at the left hand side. Then others value go to the right hand side. Just be careful when you multiply or divide with negative value, you need to inverse your sign or you reverse your sign. So our answer can be expressed in set notation or interval notation. So set notation in the set symbol. So interval notation, like we learned before in topic 1, it will be close bracket for those value included, open bracket for those value not included. So for example 19. For example 19, find the x for the following inequalities. So you can see your x here, only one. Okay, only one in the middle. So we can directly move up this value. You minus 2, you divide by 3. Alright, you have just one x. It is different. This one also x. It is different like this. This is already separate. So we see the simple one where your x is already in the middle only, alone. So when you want to move out your 2, you're going to minus. So it becomes negative 9. So minus 2, here will become 6. Then you move out your 3. You want to find your x, right? So you want to simplify your 3. You're going to divide by 3. So divide by positive number. Nothing happened to its sign. So divide by 3, just getting negative 3. So we can simplify like this. So this is our inequality form. If I want to put in set notation, so open our set notation. Or we want to put in interval form, negative 3 is not included, so it will be open bracket. Then 2 is also not included, open bracket. So set notation or interval form. So for question C, they are same also, because just one x only. If you exist more than one x, you need to move around, you have to separate like this. Okay, so I go for question C first, where negative 2. Okay, so we need to move out our 2. Just multiply by 2, you get negative 4. After you multiply by 2, then you can see, if I want to get x, I need to minus 4. So minus 4 here will give you negative 8. And then at the same time, here minus 4 will get you 14. But when you want to divide by negative 1, so next procedure, we want to divide by negative 1, you need to change your sign. So change your sign, divide by negative 1, it becomes positive 8. So change your sign. Okay, so this is not our final answer yet. Be careful. In inequalities, the smaller value written in the left hand side, the bigger value written at the right hand side. So you have to rearrange these inequalities, this range. Means that it will start from negative 14, it will be x more than that, then this x is less than 8. So if you want to put in set notation, or interval form. Interval form, it will be close bracket because negative 14 is included and 8 also included. So bermaksud bila kita dapat jawapan 8 lebih besar daripada negatif 14, susunan dia not in order. They have to rearrange it, start with negative 4. Mulut tajam hala kat dia. Mulut besar masih lagi dekat X. Mulut tajam hala ke X. Mulut besar ni dekat 8. So tak tukar apa-apa. Just susun balik in order. Let the smaller value at left hand side, bigger value go back to right hand side. Then we go for the situation where we have an N here. N is the definition for intersection. So it means that we have to solve this left hand side, answer intersect with right hand side. So this one will be our chapter 1 intersection concept. for question B. But for now, they didn't give you the simplest interval. They ask you to find it yourself first, then you do the intersection afterwards. In chapter 1, they state the range for you. Okay, just give you a range, intersect another range. So for chapter 2, you have to find it out. So what's the answer for this linear inequalities? We are going to simplify one by one. So move your 6 to the right hand side, minus 6, it gives you negative 4. Then when you want to divide by negative, you need to change the sign, become 4. Okay, so another interval here we have to simplify also, which is 3x minus 6. Then you can notice that what we're doing now all are in linear. Our x all in power of 1. Means you can move around left hand side, right hand side. Alright, so I want this x together with here. So move it to the left hand side, it will become negative 2x. So when you negative 6 move to the right hand side, it becomes positive. Divide by negative, change the sign immediately. So equals to 3. Means that you are doing x less than equal 4 intersect with x greater than 3. So previously our number line chapter 1, they give you straight away this one intersect this one. So now you get the answer doing the number line intersection. So for the first number line, we have two numbers here, which is 3 and 4. So for the first number line here, less than equal 4. So less than equal 10 circle. Less than, move to the left. This one got negative, yes. Divide by negative 2, we got negative, so negative 3. Okay, so this is our left hand side number line. And then this right hand side number line also greater than, so empty circle. Greater, we will going to the right hand side. Greater negative 3. So where's the intersection happen? Intersection is your end definition. So we have to shade it. Where's the intersection area? So do here overlap? No, we have overlapping here. So here is the intersection region, which means by our end here, intersection. After that, we don't have any intersection. So make sure when you have end, you shade the region. Show us the overlapping section. Show us our overlapping tempat persilangan, tempat pertindihan kawasan tersebut. Maka inilah kawasan terakhirnya. Inilah kawasan jawapan kita. Alright, so our x will be negative 3 less than 8 and then equals to 4. So negative 3 is not overlapping because negative 3 here tak ada. Negative 3 sini ada. So kalau nak intersect mesti kedua-dua berlaku kan. Mesti pertindih. So satu ada, satu tak ada. Tiada kesamaan. Tiada pertindihan. So negative 3 is not equal. But 4 is include. Here 4 is include. So actually akhirnya 4 pun akan tertindih. So 4 sini ada, 4 sini ada. So intersection kita cari untuk kesamaan. Kesamaan. Kalau tak ada kesamaan maksudnya dia tak intersect. Okay, so if you want to put in set notation, it will be like this. If you want to put in interval form, negative 3 is not include, 4 is include, so it will be close bracket. Question B. Okay, so we repeat, same concept, same questions. So for left hand side, here we simplify first. What's your x? What's the interval of x? So your x you're going to multiply by 5 divided by 2. Multiply by 5 divided by 2. Negative 5. Alright, so nothing changed because I multiply with 5 divided by 2. They are positive number. Nothing to effect forward sign. So for here, x remain at the left hand side, then number move to the right hand side become 12. So bear in mind what we done here, all are in linear. So that's why we can move around. Keep the x at the left hand side. Remaining number go to the right hand side and simplify. Alright, so x, we divide by 4, we get 3. So finally we get our range right here, x greater than -5 and so going to intersect x less than equal 3. So draw out our number line. So this is our number line that we learned in topic 1. So the first number line greater than -5. So not include greater than, we drag it to the right hand side because right hand side number always greater. Left hand side number getting smaller. Alright, so for another number line here equal to 3, so 10 circle. Less than, we will drag it to the left hand side. So to see the intersection here, N stand for intersection here. So we can see our region. Untuk kawasan ni tak ada kesamaan, tak ada tempat. Ini ada ni tak ada, maksudnya tak ada kesamaan, tak ada intersection boleh berlaku. So our intersection region start from here. So this is our intersection region ends at 3. After that 3 no more. Alright, so this is our final answer for this intersection where -5 less than x and then equal to 3. So we can put in set notation or interval notation. Open bracket for -5, close bracket for 3.